Now kids, let us do alluvial and laterite soil. So alluvial soil, if they say mark in north, if they say mark alluvial soil in north, we will mark again same Gangetic plain, being careful not to mark in Nepal and not to mark in Bangladesh. This is the biggest alluvial soil rich region of India. Now, if they say mark alluvial soil in east, it is on the river basin of Brahmaputra. Then, alluvial soil in south, which is also coastal alluvial. So there is coastal alluvial on east coast and there is coastal alluvial on west coast. Also remember one thing, sometimes you will have to mark only deltaic alluvial. So this is our deltaic alluvial which is on the mouth of river. So this is also deltaic alluvial. So this area is alluvial soil in northern plains or in north. Okay, now this area is also alluvial soil in Brahmaputra basin, which is also alluvial soil in east. This can also be called as coastal alluvial, or if they say mark alluvial soil on east coast. This is also coastal alluvial, or we can also say alluvial soil on west coast. This area and this area are both also alluvial soil, but these both are deltaic alluvial soil. Also, you can always specify deltaic alluvial on the delta of river Godavari, deltaic alluvial on the delta of river Mahanadi. So these are your alluvial soil. Now we have laterite soil. Laterite soil on east is on summit of Garo Khasi Jaintia. It is also on summit of Eastern Ghat, and laterite soil is also there on summit of Western Ghat. So this is our laterite soil on summit of Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Now this is also laterite soil on summit of Western Ghat. Okay, on summit of Western Ghat. And this is laterite soil, this, and of course the upper area also. Laterite soil on summit of Eastern Ghat. So these are your alluvial soil and laterite soil. Kids, also make sure this is also laterite soil only on summit of Eastern Ghat. I could not mark both of them. I've just done arrow here. But this and this, you should put your arrows on both the side when you mark laterite soil on the summit of Eastern Ghat. And always when you mark soil for map, make a key. You should make a legend here. You can always mention green is alluvial soil. Then we can also mention brown is also alluvial but deltaic. And orange is in this case laterite soil. Okay, so make sure to write your answer here. This is alluvial soil. This is deltaic alluvial. And this is laterite. Now kids, I would like to mention one thing to all of you, that they can be very specific while giving you the marking for alluvial soil or laterite soil. Like sometimes they will just say mark alluvial soil. In that case, you can mark any one area. You don't need to mark everything. But usually they're very specific in asking the question like laterite soil in east, or laterite soil to the north of Tropic of Cancer, or laterite soil to the south of Tropic of Cancer. So in that case, make sure to be specific in your marking. So now let's do red and black soil. Okay, let me remove the black color. Okay. So we have two main black soil area. One is black soil area in west, which is in Gujarat, Kathiawar. This is the black soil area in west or in Gujarat. Now, a part of Deccan Plateau, of course, the major part of Deccan Plateau is also black soil. So it's okay if you don't mark entire Deccan Plateau as a black soil rich region. Just mark a small area. So this is also your black soil, which is also part of central Maharashtra or a part of Deccan Plateau. Now, red soil in east is this. The part of Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, northeastern states. Okay, they are rich in red soil, but make sure your marking doesn't go here because we had just done this as marking of area of laterite soil. Now, the foothill of Aravali is also red soil rich region in the west of India. Now, red soil is also found in the interiors of peninsular India. So all these small patches are red soil rich region. Did you notice one thing, kids? Red soil is away from the coast. Because first there is alluvial soil, then we mark laterite. So red soil is usually away from the coast. Don't mark it very close to the coast. So these are all the regions which are red soil rich regions in our country. Now, this is red soil in east, or can I also say in parts of Manipur, or you can also say Mizoram. Okay. Now main region is this. So these areas are also your red soil rich region in interiors of peninsular India. Or I can also say in interiors of Tamil Nadu, or we can also say in interiors of Kerala. So any which ways either of the question comes, your marking is going to be same. You don't have to mark everything. You can just mark this 2-3 area, or even these 2 areas are more than enough. This last 2. Now this is your red soil rich region at foothills of Aravallis. This is your black soil area in Gujarat, or I can also say in west of India, which is a part of Kathiawar. And this is black soil area in Deccan, or you can also say in central Maharashtra. So these are your red and black soil area. Red soil in west, red soil in east, red soil in south. These are the 2 main areas. Black soil in west, black soil in Deccan, black soil in central Maharashtra, black soil in south. This all remains same. So this was your red and black soil.